Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Hamad Films, where we dive into all things creative and colorful. I'm Hamad Ali, and today we're going to explore the incredible world of art, its history, its impact, and why it continues to captivate us. Art is more than just a pretty picture, it's a reflection of humanity's emotions, ideas, and experiences. From the ancient cave paintings of Lascaux to today's digital masterpieces, art has always been a way for people to express themselves. But what makes art so powerful? Why does a single painting or sculpture have the ability to move us, inspire us, or even challenge our views on the world? Today, we'll answer these questions and more. First, let's take a quick trip through art history. It's a journey from the early cave paintings of prehistoric times, where early humans used natural pigments to depict their surroundings and daily lives, to the Renaissance period, where artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo redefined art with their revolutionary techniques and ideas. Art isn't just confined to galleries or museums, though. It's everywhere, from street art and graffiti to digital creations and installations. Each form of art has its own language and story to tell. But one story of James Cook, who do art with his different typewriters. Let me explain you. In just over a decade, James has produced more than 350 typewritten drawings. To produce his stunning artwork, James has acquired more than 100 typewriters, which have mostly been generously donated by fans of his work. Using the typewriters, he has produced artwork for celebrities, television presenters, musicians, and famous businesses. The scale of James Cook's work ranges from the size of a postcard, and the antithesis of this being rolls upon rolls of paper. Larger drawings are constructed in section and hot pressed together, thereby allowing for creations larger than the limitations of a typewriter's traditional paper feed. Concealed in most drawings are hidden typewritten messages or words inspired by the backstory of a particular project that the artist is working on. Each drawing is assembled from a variety of characters, letters, and punctuation marks using the 44 keys of a typical typewriter. Information is overlaid and the keys are tapped at variable pressures to achieve tonal shading. James Cook. Famous faces. James' work has attracted the attention of many A-list celebrities, public figures, and news reports. Recently, the artist sent a portrait to movie star Tom Hanks, a fellow typewriter enthusiast, but admitted he forgot about it until he received an unexpected letter in the post. The artist was recently asked to create a drawing of the late H.M. Queen Elizabeth II for a former royal household member in exchange for a typewriter that was used in Buckingham Palace by the royal clerk. James has also typed for American singer Kelly Clarkson, cast members from the hit sci-fi television series Doctor Who, and also for news presenters such as Ben Shepherd, Kate Garraway, Holly Willoughby, and Philip Schofield for the artist's television appearances. Thanks for joining me on this artistic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to channel name, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our creative content. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite art movement or piece?